Just straight out. Jay, TikTok, just ban me, bro. I was like, all right, I'm getting rid of this Tikfinity crap, man. I'm getting rid of it. It's like my account was flagged like 40 times. Because sometimes it'll give me a restriction. It'll come up on TikTok saying, your live stream has been restricted, which was last week when we got the 1 week ban, which is when I found this one day ban. We found out about this. It come up saying, because you get a warning and you got to click OK. So in the past, as we've got the warning, I've been like, okay, whatever I'm doing, I'll stop saying that now because obviously we got it flagged for it by the AI. But this time when it happened, because I saw it in my peripheral vision, it come up saying warning. Not even 1 second later, right? Because it comes up warning, I'm like, all right, acknowledge, I click it. Couldn't even click it, it come up warning, because my whole screen goes dim when it comes up, right? So I see it, it pops up. I was like, you got a warning, bot banned! Before I could even click it, it's like, warning, banned! It was a double banger, man. Like in the same set, it goes like this. This is how quick it was. Boop, warning, boop, banned. Like, what's the point of giving me a warning at this point, bro? Just straight out. Jay, TikTok, just ban me, bro. Just ban my account. And then we can be done with it. And then we can be done with it, bro. And then we can... Also, come to Twitch if I do get banned. Just do it now. And then we can be done with it, man. I need to be free. I need to be free.